Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic radio. First, gather your tools, including trim removal tools and a Phillips screwdriver. For safety, always disconnect the car's negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work. Then, carefully use your trim tools to pry off the dashboard trim panel that surrounds your current radio. This step reveals the mounting screws. Once the trim is off, you'll see the mounting screws. Use your screwdriver to remove these 4 screws that secure the radio in place. After the screws are out, gently pull the old radio unit straight out from the dashboard opening. Be careful not to scratch any surfaces. Finally, disconnect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the old unit. Now it's time to install your new radio. First, connect the new wiring harness adapter to your car's factory harness. Make sure all connections are snug. Then, plug in the antenna cable and any other auxiliary connections, like a USB or auxiliary input. Carefully slide the new radio into the dashboard opening, ensuring all wires are tucked away, and secure it with the mounting screws. For the final steps, reconnect the car's negative battery terminal. Turn on your ignition and thoroughly test all functions of your new radio, including the radio, Bluetooth, and any other features. If everything works, carefully reattach the dashboard trim panel. You've successfully changed your Honda Civic radio. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.